Hey folks, thanks for staying subscribed through the mini hiatus. Like all of us, I have a bunch of irons in the fire and the bike kind of took a back seat. Hopefully I'll be able to dedicate some more time to it as the weather gets nicer and I'm not able to ride because the bike is still in pieces. This video is going to be a little different because while I was trying to sort out the grit in the forks, I spent some time making sure that I have a helmet for when the bike is done. I went with the Bell Bullitt, which is a retro style helmet, and I chose it because I have a few very important requirements to meet. First of all, I wanted a full face helmet. I don't really put my mug in the frame on these videos, but I like my face and I'd like it to stay on my head. Secondly, I wanted one that was safe. That, for me, meant at least an ECE rating. Snell was preferable, but none of the retro style helmets have a Snell rating. And finally, I wanted one that looked good because the safest helmet is the one that you wear, and I'm vain enough that unless I look okay in it, I won't wear it. The Bell fit all those requirements, and I got a really good deal on this one from Revzilla. But this gloss version has chrome accents, and I don't want those. So I used my vinyl cutter at work to make up some vinyl stickers that were cut to cover the chrome, and it worked fairly well. I was able to cover the vent chrome around the top vents and also around the rim of the visor and around the bottom of the helmet. I did a lot of revisions, cutting test pieces out of some cheaper vinyl and trying them out, and they worked really well. It took a while to figure out exactly the right sizes, but I got it eventually. And then I cut it out on some more expensive vinyl, which actually didn't work as well because it was thicker, and that meant it didn't conform as easily. I might go ahead and change that out for another type of vinyl eventually. It just depends on how well this vinyl holds. And I was also experimenting with adding a name to it. You can see those things on the side. I'll probably do that eventually, and I might add some other graphics. It depends on how things go and what I feel like. For now, I'm just happy getting all the chrome blacked out. After changing all the chrome to blacked out vinyl, I also changed the visor discs on the side of the helmet to black ones straight from Bell. And I'll add in a tinted visor for sunny days when the bike is actually done. This is a really great helmet. It's a little bit expensive, but if you're in the market for one, make sure you check out ratings for safety. ECE is pretty standard. And get one that you will actually wear. So if the helmet that you're actually going to wear is a silver glittery Bitwell Gringo, go for it, because you need to be wearing it for it to do any good. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying following along on this project, please leave a comment down below, and please like and subscribe. I am about 18 subscribers away from sending out stickers to everybody who wants them. So if we reach that 100 number, I'll send those out to you. You can see those stickers over on Instagram where they're at Analog Vector. Thanks.